and let the one who has no sword sell his cloak and buy one.
Alright, today we've got the Canik TP9DA. We're going to disassemble for cleaning, field stripping if you will. First thing we're going to do is clear it, magazine out. Check that chamber, nothing in the chamber. Alright, now you've got the little lever right here. You've got on both sides, you've got a piece right here and you have a piece right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab them with our fingers like that. We're just basically going to pull down. When we pull down, we're going to pull back just a little bit, and it won't go forward now, but I'm going to pull the trigger and then it pops forward and then it slides off, and that's all there is to it. This is a lot like your Glocks and several others. This just has actually a nicer grip to pull down on, so it pulls down, pulls your lever right here, or your release right there, and it allows it to go forward. Now for most of you, you're not going to take anything else apart. You clean it the way it is. So we're going to sit that off to the side, and then we're going to take the spring and rod out. Basically we're just going to push forward and then pull out, so it's going to look something like this, forward and out, and that dropped. Try not to let it drop, but sometimes it will. And if you look here, this is the front, this is the rear. The flatter piece goes to the rear because that's what seats down in your barrel, so keep that in mind. And the barrel, we're just going to push it out, wiggle it forward, and just wiggle it out. Now this is disassembled, field stripped, and it's ready for cleaning. Go clean your gun, then come back and I'm going to show you how to put it back together. Hey, we want to take a second just to let you know that we offer concealed weapons classes in South Carolina. We are in Anderson, South Carolina. So if you're local to us, check us out at defensetraining.org. We also offer other training as well. You can check that out again, defensetraining.org. Also, we make holsters. We have custom holsters that we make, so you can go check those holsters out. They are ambidextrous and both inside and outside the waistband holsters. They are made of Kydex. They have a lifetime guarantee and a 60-day money-back guarantee. So check those out at defensetraining.org/holsters. All right, back to the video. All right, we're going to put it back together. The slide, we're going to take it, we're going to put the barrel in the slide first, so we're just going to go down. And when you put the barrel in, make sure your flat piece is toward the slide. Make sure this piece, because this is what your rod and spring sit in, is back away toward the bottom basically. Because if you're looking at it, this is the top, this is toward the top, and this is the bottom. Alright, so we're just going to slide it in there. Alright, and it should seat. When you pull it back, it should seat down in there. And then we're going to take this piece, goes toward the front, so we're going to put it down, a little hole right there, push it forward, and then what we're going to do is going to seat it. If you can see that little lip at the tip of my fingernail, we're just going to seat it. There's two lips, but we're going to push it and we're going to seat it on that second lip, push it down. Sometimes it will go forward and go too far, but then just ease it back out. And if you can see, we've got the two lips. We've got the first lip, and then we've got the second lip down in there, and that's where we're going to seat that at. All right, now we're going to take these little grooves right here. See those grooves? We're going to put them in. See these little wings basically? This is going to slide down in those grooves, and this is going to slide all the way back. You've got some back here as well, so you've got two right there, and you're just going to put them in, push it all the way back, it locks in, pull the trigger. Alright, the Canik TP9DA is put back together, ready to go do some shooting. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks.